Winter gardening. You know it's the last week of fall, and we got an Arctic blast coming across America. It's probably going to be the last day this is going to be uncovered for a few days. But I'm glad you came by. You know what else today is? It's Saturday, and you know what that means. We go to you and we celebrate what's going on in your garden. Mike and Linda are adding mulch to their East Texas fall garden. Just check out those onions. Their garden is in full swing. Mike, Linda, this is beautiful. Thank you for the motivation. I received quite a few comments recently about why I haven't been posting so many videos. Well, one, it's been getting dark at 5 o'clock. Don't have time to shoot out here in the garden. I barely have time to rake. We've just been mulching. We're putting everything to bed. We've got our raised bed going pretty well. I've also been putting a lot of effort into finishing up my book, and it's been a pretty good undertaking. Wound up 270 pages, 56,500 words, and it went live yesterday. And while I go get a rake, start raking up some more leaves, let's take a look at our contributors and see what's going on across America. Dan's also mulching their garden at the Four Oaks Family Homestead in Southern Oregon. Their late fall garden is winding down. We look forward to seeing what you grow this spring. Dan, thank you. Larry brought in his last peppers. Some beautiful cayennes and some jalapenos. Larry's container garden produced really well all year. Aren't our contributors awesome? Please leave a comment down below and let everybody know just how much you appreciate them sharing what's going on in their gardens. Patrice survived a 2-day snowstorm. Just check out what's under the snow in her garden. Patrice, stay warm. This looks beautiful. Art also brought in the last of his peppers. Those reapers look beautiful. Fall gardening's just about over. Winter gardening's just about to start. About a week away. Bruce wanted to share what's going on in his Orlando food forest. They're planting and picking. Look at those avocados. Bruce, I just wish you could share some of the Florida warmth with all of us. But I do appreciate you sharing the possibilities of a garden. And I invite you to become a member of this group. There's no obligation, it doesn't cost anything. You just send in a photo now and again. Help motivate others that might want to learn how to garden. After all, this is where we get ideas. This is where we get inspiration. And this is where I get the motivation to come out here, well, almost every day. It's 33 degrees today. I think I'm going to take the day off. Before I have to cover this up, I'm going to go to the house and get a cup of coffee and warm up just a little bit. Remember, Christmas is right around the corner. You still have time if you're interested in my new book. You can do this too. And remember, until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.